78 Yacht is a totally new model, neatly nestling between the new Manhattan 70 and the 86 Yacht. You've got maximised accommodation, achieved with increased beam, longer waterline, and a main deck saloon extending further forward. So, more headroom, more stowage, and more bathroom space, and a much larger area for the crew of 2 or 3. The Super Yacht Flybridge option is offered with stylised spa pool and bar. There's also the hardtop and extendable rear shade. This is the perfect match for owners wanting a 4-cabin boat, with a sense of space and potential for comfortable full crew or assisted self-operation, without having to go the whole way to the 86 Yacht.